After turning 60, many people notice small but worrying changes. You forget where you placed your keys, you struggle to recall a familiar name, or you pause mid-sentence because your mind suddenly feels blank. And it's not just memory. Your body seems to slow down too. Wrinkles deepen, skin loses its elasticity, and joints feel stiffer than they used to. For many, this feels like the start of an irreversible decline, as though aging itself has taken over. This loss of clarity and vitality can feel unsettling. You may even wonder if you're doing something wrong or if it's simply part of getting old. But what most people don't realize is that these changes are not just about age. They're about how your brain and collagen, the very framework of your skin, joints, and connective tissue, are supported. Your brain runs on oxygen, and your collagen network depends on constant renewal. Yet with age, circulation often decreases, tissue repair slows down, and nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. As a result, you experience mental fog, dull skin, weaker joints, and even slower healing after small injuries. Many people turn to expensive creams, supplements, or even memory pills, but these rarely address the root cause. The truth is, your body needs raw fuel, the right kinds of nutrients, to perform at its best. And while no single magic pill exists, certain vegetables have been shown to naturally increase oxygen to the brain, repair tissues, and support collagen production. Surprisingly, these vegetables are affordable and widely available, yet most people don't eat them often enough. Before you accept that mental decline and visible aging are inevitable, let's look at how food, specifically 3 powerful vegetables, can give your brain clarity, keep your tissues strong, and preserve your youthful look. These aren't exotic superfoods or pricey powders. They're simple, everyday vegetables your grocery store already carries. In the next section, you'll discover why these vegetables, spinach, broccoli, and beets, have the power to slow age-related decline and help you feel more alive, inside and out. Most people don't realize how much their diet influences their brain and collagen health. For years, we've been told that aging is just something that happens, no matter what we do. But science is painting a different picture. Your brain and connective tissues depend on nutrients, oxygen, and antioxidants to stay strong. And certain vegetables can deliver exactly what your aging body craves. Take spinach, for example. It's rich in lutein, folate, and vitamin K, nutrients proven to boost cognitive function. These compounds protect your neurons from oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest culprits behind memory loss. Spinach also helps regulate blood flow, ensuring that your brain cells get the oxygen they need to function at their best. Then there's broccoli. It's one of nature's top collagen-supporting foods because it's packed with vitamin C and sulforaphane, which stimulates collagen synthesis and protects existing collagen from breakdown. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your connective tissues strong. Without enough of it, wrinkles deepen, and tissues lose their resilience. Eating broccoli regularly helps your body rebuild its collagen matrix naturally, something most expensive creams can't do from the outside. And finally, beets. This root vegetable is a powerhouse for circulation. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and increases oxygen delivery to the brain. More oxygen means better focus, sharper memory, and improved energy levels throughout the day. It also helps your skin cells and connective tissues receive more nutrients, speeding up recovery and giving your face a healthier glow. This combination of spinach, broccoli, and beets creates a synergy. Spinach feeds your brain's memory centers, broccoli repairs and maintains your collagen network, and beets supercharge circulation to make it all work more efficiently. You don't need complicated diets or high-priced supplements when these natural foods are readily available. The exciting truth? Age-related decline isn't inevitable. By adjusting what's on your plate, you can restore oxygen levels, feed your neurons, rebuild collagen, and feel younger from the inside out. But knowing this is only the first step. In the next section, we'll look at how making small, realistic changes with these vegetables can give you hope for lasting results you can see and feel. Imagine waking up and feeling clear-headed, energized, and confident about how you look. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing smoother skin, fewer fine lines, and a natural glow that reflects a healthier you. This is not wishful thinking. It's the natural result of fueling your body with the right building blocks. Spinach gives your brain what it needs to stay sharp. Its folate and antioxidants help your neurons communicate more effectively, improving memory and focus. People who regularly consume leafy greens like spinach have been shown in studies to perform better on cognitive tests and even slow brain aging by up to 11 years. That means sharper conversations, better recall, and more confidence in your mental abilities. Broccoli works quietly behind the scenes, feeding your collagen matrix with vitamin C and protecting it with powerful plant compounds. Instead of collagen supplements that may not absorb well, broccoli provides your body with the raw materials to produce collagen naturally. Over time, this translates to firmer skin, stronger nails, and smoother joints that feel less stiff and more flexible. Beets round out this powerhouse trio by improving your body's circulation. With better blood flow comes more oxygen to your brain and tissues, allowing you to stay energized throughout the day and recover faster from daily wear and tear. Many people report feeling more alert and even notice their skin looking healthier after incorporating beets into their meals just a few times a week. This isn't about radical dieting or spending hours in the kitchen. It's about small, intentional changes. Adding a handful of spinach to your morning eggs, tossing steamed broccoli into your lunch, or enjoying roasted beets with dinner. These steps are simple, affordable, and proven to work. When you give your body what it needs, it responds. Your skin begins to reflect inner health, your joints feel less tight, and your mind becomes sharper. You begin to feel like yourself again, or even better than before. And the best part? These benefits don't require waiting months to see changes. Many people notice improvements in their energy and focus within weeks. If aging has felt like something out of your control, here's your proof that you can take it back. Naturally, simply, and effectively. In the next section, we'll dig into why you can trust this process, backed by science and real-world results. Skeptical? That's normal. After all, the health industry is full of quick fixes and miracle claims that rarely deliver. But what sets spinach, broccoli, and beets apart is that they are backed by decades of scientific research, not trends or marketing hype. Spinach has been studied extensively for its brain protective effects. Research from the Rush University Medical Center found that people who regularly ate leafy greens like spinach had slower cognitive decline and better memory compared to those who rarely did. The folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants in spinach work together to reduce inflammation in the brain and improve neural communication. Broccoli, on the other hand, is a collagen-supporting champion. Rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for collagen production, it gives your body the building blocks to repair and maintain skin, cartilage, and connective tissues. It also contains sulforaphane, which helps protect collagen from breakdown caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. Multiple studies link high broccoli consumption with improved joint health and more youthful-looking skin. And then we have beets, which are proven circulation boosters. The nitrates in beets are converted into nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Studies from the University of Exeter show that increased nitric oxide levels improve oxygen delivery to the brain and muscles, enhancing focus, endurance, and even reaction time. For seniors, this means better mental clarity and greater physical vitality. These aren't expensive supplements with questionable purity. They're whole, natural foods available in any grocery store. The benefits they provide are not theoretical. They're measurable and visible over time. People who consistently add these vegetables to their meals report clearer thinking, smoother skin, stronger nails, and improved flexibility. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and safety. You're not gambling with untested chemicals or extreme diets. You're giving your body nutrients it already recognizes and knows how to use. No fancy detoxes, no expensive monthly subscriptions, just natural foods delivering natural results. When you commit to small, consistent changes, your body responds. That's why doctors, nutritionists, and even professional athletes recommend these vegetables for long-term health and vitality. They're safe, affordable, and work synergistically to give your brain and collagen exactly what they need. Up next, let's talk about how you can start implementing these changes easily and make them part of your daily routine without stress or overwhelm. Knowing which foods support your brain and collagen is powerful, but putting that knowledge into action is where real transformation happens. The good news? Incorporating spinach, broccoli, and beets into your daily life is simple, affordable, and doesn't require fancy recipes or complicated meal plans. Here's how to get started. Breakfast boost. Add a handful of fresh spinach to your scrambled eggs or morning smoothie. Spinach blends easily and doesn't overpower the flavor, giving you a nutrient-packed head start on your day. Lunch. Upgrade. Include broccoli with your midday meal. Steamed broccoli pairs perfectly with chicken, fish, or even pasta. If you prefer raw, toss it into a salad with a light vinaigrette for a crunchy, collagen-friendly meal. Dinner power. Roast or boil. Beets as a side dish. Their natural sweetness pairs well with almost any protein, and the boost in circulation they provide helps oxygenate your brain and tissues as you rest overnight. Other tips. If you're pressed for time, try pre-washed spinach and pre-cut broccoli from your local grocery store. Keep cooked beets in your fridge to quickly add to salads or eat as a snack. Experiment with flavor. Garlic, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon can make these veggies taste restaurant-worthy in minutes. The key is consistency. Eating these vegetables a few times here and there won't produce noticeable changes, but make them a daily habit, and within weeks you may feel sharper, notice smoother skin, and even experience better joint flexibility. If you want results faster, combine these foods with hydration and movement. Water helps nutrients circulate efficiently, and light exercise increases blood flow, enhancing the benefits of beets and spinach for your brain and body. Remember, this isn't about restriction or complex dieting. It's about adding powerful foods that work with your body's natural systems. Once you start, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. In the final part, we'll talk about how these small daily habits can empower you for the long run, giving you confidence and control over your health and aging. Think about what these small steps really mean for your future. By simply adding spinach, broccoli, and beets to your daily meals, you're doing more than just eating vegetables. You're actively protecting your brain, strengthening your collagen network, and reclaiming control over how you age. You're no longer passively watching as your memory fades or your skin loses its elasticity. Instead, you're choosing foods that help your neurons fire more efficiently, your joints feel more flexible, and your skin look naturally youthful. You're sending more oxygen to your brain, giving yourself clearer thoughts and better focus, all while helping your body rebuild from the inside out. This is not about perfection. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight or live on salads and beet juice. It's about consistent, simple habits that stack up over time. A handful of spinach in your breakfast, a side of broccoli at lunch, roasted beets with dinner, easy steps that deliver noticeable results. And once you start feeling the difference, sharper thinking, improved energy, smoother skin, you'll be motivated to keep going. You'll realize you have more control over your health and appearance than you ever thought possible. That's the power of food, and it's yours to use every day. So here's your challenge. Start today. Buy these 3 vegetables on your next grocery trip. Commit to including at least one of them in every meal. In just a few weeks, you'll see changes, not only in how you look, but in how you feel. Aging is inevitable, but decline doesn't have to be. With simple, natural choices like spinach, broccoli, and beets, you can support your brain, keep your collagen strong, and maintain your youthful energy for years to come. This is your time to feel strong, focused, and vibrant again. Take control. Start small. Stay consistent. Your brain, your skin, and your future self will thank you.